Hey guys, it's Kay. I hope you're all well. Now if you're like me and you're into your tech and particularly Android TV boxes, you're in for a treat. That's because the latest news is Amazon is working on a third generation Fire TV Cube, codenamed Gazelle. And this news is from AFT News, so it's a reliable source. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks, so subscribe and hit the notification button. Now as we all know, Amazon's current flagship Fire TV model is the second generation Fire TV Cube. This was released back in 2019. And even then it was ahead of its rivals with 8 built-in far-field microphones, which let you control your TV, sound system and cable box just with your voice. And of course it came pre-installed with loads of TV services, and of course it comes with tons of extra features and smart home controls. So if you haven't got one already, I highly recommend getting one now because it's on sale, down from $110 to $69. Anyway, while it's still one of the best performing Fire TV models out there, and is holding its own among the other premium streaming devices, at nearly 3 years old it's due for an update. And it looks like they've found some solid evidence that Amazon is currently working on a third generation Fire TV Cube under the codename Gazelle. And you might be asking, how do they know this? Well, it turns out each Fire TV device has a unique build number that starts with AFT, and this is used by app developers to identify which version and generation of Fire TV is being used. And apparently over the last few weeks, Amazon has pushed out Fire TV software updates that contain a never before used code, AFTGAZL, which is strong evidence that it's used for the up-and-coming third generation Fire TV Cube. And the bot at AFT News even goes on to say they were able to find a recently updated Gazelle JPEG on Amazon's server of a Fire TV Cube, which confirms the device's codename. Now they go on to say that the image doesn't reveal anything about the device as it's identical in every way to an image of an existing Fire TV Cube. So there's no way to know if the next Fire TV Cube will actually look identical to the current Fire TV Cube, or if Amazon is just using a temporary placeholder image for the new model, which it has done before. As for specs of the unreleased third generation Fire TV Cube, very little is known at the moment. Other than it being confirmed as a Fire TV Cube, the only other specs that the software update reveals are that it has an internal speaker and an internal IR blaster, just like the existing Fire TV Cube. Now they're saying it's safe to assume that the new Gazelle model will move up from Wi-Fi 5 found in the current Fire TV Cube to Wi-Fi 6. And that's because the recently released Fire TV Stick 4K Max is the first Fire TV model to feature Wi-Fi 6. So of course it wouldn't make sense for the next flagship Fire TV not to match the cheaper device's Wi-Fi capabilities. And of course we're also expecting a Gazelle to have a faster CPU and GPU, but even if they use the same 6-core CPU in the existing Fire TV Cube, it'll hopefully mean it'll be a cheaper and newer device with improvements over the old model. References of new models leaking into Amazon Fire TV software updates are usually an indication that the new device is near release date. And Amazon typically announces new Fire TV models in September and releases them in October, so we should all hear some more information about this third generation Fire TV Cube in the coming months. Let me know in the comments guys, are you going to be shelling out for this new device? And do you think it's worth upgrading if you've already got the old Fire TV Cube? Personally speaking, I'd only upgrade from the old Fire TV Cube if there was an update in the GPU and CPU. And if they added some more RAM, this would be a no-brainer. I'd definitely go for it, because that would make it one of the most powerful devices out there. Anyway guys, this was just a quick heads up video to tell you what's on the horizon for the up and coming Amazon TV Cube. If you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and consider subscribing for more great content like this. And I'll see you all in the next one.